Full disclosure, this dog vest from Corsair was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Oh yeah, we got the Kyoza reversible dog vest right here. Windproof, waterproof, and reversible. I got the XX large right here. Oh, there it is. This one is XX large. Very nice design. Nice fabric right here. It's made of polyester. Part right here is very smooth. It's like a human jacket. It's like, this is super elastic right here. It's windproof and waterproof as well. Nice Velcro for easy attachment. Reversible. And now it is reversed. Look at that. Look how easy it is to reverse it. Now this is the outside. See? Velcro right here. Velcro on the side right here. It's easy to put onto your dog. Nice material. Pretty much it's like human clothes. Like this will keep your dog warm in the winter. It's got a nice design too. I got the XX large one. Make sure you measure your dog. It's a little bit small, but you can see right there, it's like, I'm a dog, Captain Dog. Dude, this is nice and warm, very warm. Your dog has a pet leash right here, the leash hole for your pet right there. Very cool, very nice, super warm, super awesome. And it's reversible. This right here is the outside, nice elastic material on the inside to put on your pet. Velcro that will just make it easy to put on and take off your dog. Don't forget you have the leash hole right here. There's the leash hole. You just put the leash through this hole right here because it's a leash hole, and then you can attach the leash and then you have your dog running. The Kosher Cozy waterproof windproof dog vest right here, reversible. Open up the Velcro, reverse it, and now this is the other side. Very simple, very easy. This side is more water resistant. This one is for like a day where, you know, it's not rainy. Snowing will probably fall off here. But the outside, this one is more water resistant. The Kosher brand. Nice quality. Brand new right there. Look at that branding. That looks good. That looks nice. Very nice dog vest. Nice material right here. Reversible. The inside material, once you reverse it to be outside, this is a little bit more water resistant. Many different sizes, many different colors to make sure that it fits your dog well, and keeps them nice and warm. Dog vest right here. Ah, yeah.